Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox account back if you forgot your password. First, navigate to the Roblox login page. Look for the Forgot Password or Username link, usually located below the login fields. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter either the email address or phone number that is linked to your Roblox account. This is the crucial first step to initiating the recovery process and regaining access to your gaming world. After entering your contact information, Roblox will send a verification code or a direct password reset link. It's important to check your email inbox and don't forget to look in your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these automated messages can end up there. If you used a phone number, you'll receive a text message. Carefully follow the instructions provided in that message to move forward with resetting your password. This step confirms your identity. Once verified, you'll be able to set a brand new password for your Roblox account. It's vital to choose a strong and unique password. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or common words. Make sure to confirm your new password by typing it in twice. A robust password is your best defense against unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, such as not receiving a verification code, try resending it or double-checking the contact information you provided. If problems persist, your next step is to contact Roblox support directly. They have a dedicated team to assist with account recovery. When reaching out, provide as much detail as possible about your account to help them verify your ownership quickly and efficiently. Don't give up. Help is available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.